hours later.
Alright guys, so here's somewhat of a head-on comparison for the GoPro Hero 6 Black and the GoPro Hero 9 Black. As far as the aesthetics of these cameras are concerned, they both are pretty similar, but then there are a few noticeable changes in the GoPro Hero 9 as compared to the Hero 6. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about the new aperture, the new lens aperture, which is slightly bigger as compared to the Hero 6 Black. I must say that the new LCD color display on the front end is a delight from a vlogger's point of view. On the rear end, you can notice that the screen size has been changed. It's not a drastic change, but we can say that it is considerable. The bottom end of the camera comes with a built-in mounting setup, which was missing on the Hero 6 Black. Since it has been just a couple of hours that I got my hands onto this camera, so I haven't really checked out the updated features in the Hero 9 Black. I might as well make a separate video exploring the features of the Hero 9 Black as compared to the Hero 6 Black. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this small cinematic and the unveiling of the Hero 9 Black that I just got, make sure that you hit the like button. Also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and share this video among all your friends. On that note, I'll see you in the next video soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.
गोवन लड़का मैं देश भर में चर्चा है, सफल हो जाए जो एक बार तो चर्चा है, अब पब्लिक मरती है ये तुझ पे मरता है।